Okay, so quick update from yesterday because I slept off. I hope the client closes because that would be my first international client. So fingers crossed. And if like that client comes to me or like we work together, I hope like I share in this process too. And the second thing is I just started with another page of like 3 to 4 days back, and it already hit 12K views. Now it's not about the views, but it is also something which I'm building, and you will come to know eventually on what the business or the page, the whole thing is all about. Well, for today I have a lot of tasks to do. So first thing first, I have to schedule my LinkedIn content. I'm gonna do some research. Then there I have to like post content for scheduled content for Grow with Meghal, which is a page. Well, I'm a marketing consultant. And then comes Booked by Meghal, which is sales coach or business coach for makeup artists, basically in India. So yeah, it's basically on how like makeup artists can do better to scale their businesses. So this is the page, and this is what I'm building. And then I have my own personal page where like in Pinterest I like keep adding quotes for some motivations and like someone who just wants like little affirmations. So this is the page, and I have a lot to do on this. So this is the core thing which I have to do, and let's see how it goes. And I hope I don't miss my today's task. But let me just be a fruits girly and eat some fruits, and then I'll work. So first I'll note down all the topics which I want to talk about, or maybe like put it in my content so it helps my target audience. Then after I'm done, I would put in like ChatGPT for more specific prompts and the content. So once that is done, then I'll move to designing, which I will show you. So it's 10 o'clock right now, and I think by 12 o'clock I'll be able to design and schedule everything. And this is what I also want to tell you, that time blocking is really important. अगर आपको लगेगा आप आराम से कर लो ये कर लो, तो then you'll procrastinate and take much timer. So this way you are more focused on the task which you want to do. So अब देखते हैं कि 12 बजे तक if I'm able to like complete all this, because alternatively I also have to get on sales calls. Now sales calls is basically I am currently taking like sales calls on like bridal closures for one of makeup artist, and that also happens like simultaneously, and it's like a easy for me because I'm a pro now in that. Not a flex, but yeah. It's 11 o'clock. I am done with my content. As you can see that here in the sheets, first I draft the content, and then I am also done with my LinkedIn content. So now everything is made is designing, posting and scheduling. And let me tell you, scheduling on Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, all the platforms, and it's not an easy task. So I hope I can make it in 1 hour. I forgot I had to do sales calls as well, which I told you in the start of the video. So I'll open my sheets and see that which clients I have to call and if they are available at that time. So I'm done with the designing part of it. There is more left. Now I'll download the files, keep it at one place, so then it's easy for me to schedule. कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मैं चैट जीपीटी को लिटरली डांट रही हूँ, क्योंकि इतने प्रॉम्प्ट्स के बाद भी जब वो एकदम ऐसे वेग आंसर्स देता है ना, तो फिर ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे पूरी भड़ास ही निकालती थी। तब फिर उसके बाद से चैट जीपीटी तो ओके गॉट इट, अंडरस्टूड, दिस इज़ नॉट व्हाट यू वांटेड मेघल, दिस इज़ हाउ विल ट्वीक अराउंड। तब जाके थोड़ा समझ में आता है। कंटेंट टेक्स टाइम. It's 12 already. I didn't complete on what I had to do. Will resume after an hour. It's 9:30 in the evening, and मेरा लास्ट अपडेट जो था वो 11 बजे था। पूरा टाइम मैंने आज नेटफ्लिक्स देखा है। मैं शाम को भी सोच रही थी कि मैं नेटफ्लिक्स देख लूँ, कि कल से काम कर लूँगी, बट वो जो अंदर एक गिल्ट होती है ना कि कल ज़्यादा काम हो सकता है, आज निपटा लो। सो आई होप मैं ये रात को बैठ के निपटा दूँ, ख़त्म कर दूँ, एंड मैं रिलीफ सो पाऊँ एंड नॉट वेस्ट माई डे